HW Pickardt is proud to present the Impact Press IP 6000. This impact press is engineered and constructed completely in Germany. It weighs about 100 kilograms and is delivered with the following tools. To change the height of the numbering press, loosen this lever, adjust the height, be sure to tighten the lever when you are finished. Use the provided tools and turn here to change out the numbering head. Before using the impact press, make sure that the numbering head and all other parts are aligned and adjusted. To adjust the pressure, just turn this wheel. Adjusting the numbers is as easy as pulling this pin. When the impact press is ready, place the item that is to be stamped here. Then pull on the lever until you hear the very audible feedback. When that is done, simply remove the item. The impact press is immediately ready for the next one. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like or a comment. And if you want to order your own impact press, be sure to check out our links down below in the description. Thank you for watching.